जय श्रीमन्नारायण. Aranyakanda. Oh Rama, all these qualities of deer is attracting me so much. Like this Sitama saying, and also all these qualities babhuva raghavasyapi mano vismayamagatam. These wonderful qualities of the deer making Rama's mind also wonderstruck. Rama is also just started staring at that deer, and he is also getting amazed to see that. Then Rama, after hearing Sita's request, and then after seeing that wonderful deer again and again, Rama also got tempted. Then he is saying that Uvacha Raghavo Hrusto Bhrataram Lakshmanam Vachaha. Now Ramachandra Swami joyfully saying to Lakshmana like this, "Oh Lakshmana, see the eagerness our Sita has towards the deer. I think this kind of exceptionally beautiful deer cannot be found in this forest within our time of stay in this forest. Oh Lakshmana, there is no this kind of animal even in Devendra's Nandanavanam. Oh Lakshmana, there is no this kind of deer even in Kubera's Nandanavanam. Oh Lakshmana, and there is no need to mention about that this kind of animal is not available on this earth. Look at that beautiful golden deer, the beautiful spots on the skin, and look at that when the deer is yawning, there is a beautiful sparkling lightning. Like this, Ramachandra Swami explaining how much he is getting tempted towards the deer, and he is also explaining how rare this kind of animal on this earth and also in any other upper worlds. He is explaining everything to Lakshmana. Sri Ramachandra Swami saying to Lakshmana about golden deer, saying that, "Oh Lakshmana, look at that face of the deer. It's looking like a pot of emerald. Oh Lakshmana, look at that deer's belly. It is looking like conch. And oh Lakshmana, when this deer has so many great qualities, whose mind will not be attracted by this kind of deer? Oh Lakshmana, not only Sita, but also everyone will be attracted by this deer and its beauty." What happens, Lakshmana, usually kings does hunting as their sport and for the meat of those animals. And few kings does hunting to get gems, stones and gold from elephants and other animals. Oh Lakshmana, anyone, once they like something, they will try to get it and they will move towards to get that without any kind of second thought. So also, I too have the desire to get this deer. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, हे हे राजा रामा, हे हे सीता रामा, हे हे सीता रामा. Jai Srimanarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimanarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.